In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to claim universal credit in the UK. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly claim universal credit. To do this, you will have to visit the gov.uk website. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, go to government.uk, and in here you will be able to browse through all of the services and information. As you can see under benefits, you will be able to find eligibility, appeals, tax credits, and finally universal credit. So to start, click on benefits under service and information and then scroll down and you will find benefits and financial support if you are on a low income. So when you click this option under help with housing, you will be able to find universal credit. So this is where you will be able to get the most up-to-date information regarding universal credit. There are a lot of contents here. So you have eligibility, what you will get, how your wages affect your payments, how you are paid, how to claim, and so on. You can go to each of these pages here and you will be able to get the proper information. Universal credit is payment to help you with your living costs and so on. So you will be able to browse through everything. There are a lot of important information here regarding how it works if you already get other benefits and primarily about the eligibility, so it's very important that you are aware if you can claim. Make sure that you go through the eligibility and you meet all of the criteria listed here. Once you are aware and you are ready to claim, go over to this category, how to claim. You can apply for universal credit online. You need to create an account to make a claim and you must complete your claim within 28 days or rather roughly a month of creating your account or you have to start again. So only do this when you are ready to sit down and go through everything. Make sure that you meet all of these criteria here. So you need your bank, an email address, and access to a phone to apply online, and you also need to prove your identity. So have some identification documents nearby. And then you just need to provide information about all of these topics here, your housing, earnings, national insurance number, and so on. If you are ready, just click on apply now at the bottom and follow the instructions on screen. Now, sadly, I won't be able to demonstrate this process because I don't have a government UK account set up, but if you do, you will be able to log in and follow the on-screen instructions. I hope I was able to help you on how to claim Universal Credit UK. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.